glasses? Have you tried ordering glasses online? If you haven't, you should know. It's amazing. And if you have, you already know. Fantastic selection, great prices, super convenient. The only trouble is finding that elusive little number called the pupillary distance. And that's one of the most important metrics for great fitting glasses. The pupillary distance is the distance between your pupils. Sounds simple enough, but it's such a pain to get your hands on. Doctor, please give me my PD. I can just do this by myself. How hard can it be? And you need it to be accurate. Why? Well, inaccurate PD means blurry, terrible glasses with headaches to follow. Now, there's an easy solution for you. The IQ PD check. It's really fast and super accurate. Just put the frames on, take a picture, and there, that's my PD. So easy, babies can do it. And Teddy, your PD is 44.5 millimeters. The IQ PD check is the must-have eyeglass accessory for ordering glasses online. Did I mention? You can also share the PD check with your family and friends. Get the PD check now.
Meet Solar Crew, the smallest and lightest foldable solar panel charger. Charge your device with solar energy efficiently. The highly sensitive panels can charge even in the shade. Charge your cell phones, power banks, speakers, or earbuds. Add more panels to have more power. Solar Crew is small and slim, only 1/10 of an inch thick when in use. You can also fold your Solar Crew. Magnetic clasp protection makes it easy to carry. You can simply hook it onto your bag. Solar Crew is made of durable, scratch-resistant material. No need to worry about water on the panels, as Solar Crew is also water resistant. Solar Crew, welcome to a solar world.
Introducing Gemini, the most affordable portable touchscreen monitor. As working professionals, we enjoy working on big monitors or multiple screens at home or in the office. But in nowadays' busy life, we are required to be more flexible and bring our work everywhere. Coffee shops, hotel rooms, airports, we are always on the go. So we made Gemini to achieve maximum productivity anywhere at an affordable price for everyone. Gemini is a 15.6-inch monitor with built-in battery and a patent-pending kickstand for more convenience. Unlike other monitors that drain out the battery of your computer, it can even charge your phone. Gemini is the ideal companion for businessmen and travelers, as well as creative people working with graphic applications, designers, architects, photographers, filmmakers, or for people who just want to have fun and enjoy gaming. Perfect for Nintendo Switch, Xbox, or PlayStation. Based on your preference, you can use it in horizontal or vertical mode. It works with Android smartphones. You can finally have a more convenient way to check your emails, stream videos, or play games. Gemini has a solid all-metal frame design and is light, easy to carry, and convenient to use. Just plug and play. No need to install any software. You can either extend your monitor to get a better overview or mirror your screen so you could share with colleagues or clients. It's compatible with all laptops and very versatile, as we included all the ports you need: HDMI, Type-C, USB, and Mini HDMI. Gemini is available in 2 versions, the Full HD with touchscreen feature and the Ultra HD with astonishing display details, so you can choose whatever works best for you. We developed a product that is affordable and gives you more freedom and flexibility. Please support us and get more productive with Gemini.
Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with HexSpot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05mm high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. HexSpot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. HexSpot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. HexSpot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on HexSpot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling HexSpot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control HexSpot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring HexSpot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
The MacBook has become thinner, lighter, and more powerful with every iteration. But most users have missed the MagSafe, one of the best features of the old design. Introducing MagX, a magnetic adapter that brings back the MagSafe experience we all love. Now you can charge your MacBook at up to 100 watts. Yeah, just like before. You will never want to use anything else after trying the MagX just once. It's not just convenient. The MagX protects the USB-C against dust, wear and tear, and even saves your MacBook from falling by accident. MagX is more than just MagSafe. With the 20-pin design, it supports up to 10 gigabits per second SuperSpeed Plus data transfer and 5K video output. To make MagX compatible with the MacBook, even in appearance, we designed it using the same metallic style, making it both durable and aesthetically pleasing. MagX is not just for Mac. Its 4.3A fast charging works with all USB-C devices, including phones, tablets, and notebooks. Back us now and change the way you charge your new Mac today.
Freedom is what we're born to look for. What if you had your own cameraman to record every memorable moment? Meet Obsbot Tail, the smart robotic cameraman and director. Obsbot Tail is the world's first auto-director AI camera powered by an AI chip that can process up to an astonishing 5 trillion flops. It enables you to be your own actor, director, and cameraman all at the same time. Tell Obsbot Tail who to track? or let it choose by itself. OBSBot Tail, its unique and powerful AI tracking technology, moves the camera head automatically to track your movement. The Power Gesture feature lets you use different gestures to control OBSBot Tail. OBSBot Tail extracts your memorable moments automatically. OBSBot Tail delivers 4K 60 FPS videos and is capable of recording up to 240 FPS so that you can shoot nearly all types of time-lapse videos. It has a superior quality 1/2.3-inch Sony CMOS sensor and a set of 10 advanced lenses, with 4 of them being Hoya aspheric lenses. OBSBot Tail is also the first camera to have a 3-axis PTZ system supporting a physical 360-degree panning. OBSBot Studio is a powerful free app that lets you do cool things like have multiple shooting ratios and use vertical shooting mode. Use mirroring to show the real-time inversion video so that it's easier for you to learn how to dance. Add synchronization filters. OBSBot Tail will become your smart, AI-enabled cameraman who films your life seamlessly. OBSBot Tail. Be your own director.
Years into the USB-C accessories space, Uni has been shipping 2,500 plus units on Amazon every day. Now it's time to try something new. Say goodbye to dongle life. Not 2, not 3, definitely not 4, just 1. Introducing Uni 8-in-1 USB-C dock. A dock for all your USB-C needs, at home and at work. Just plug in and work. Unplug and go. Besides, we put a lot of thought into our design. A rugged case for more grip and scratch-free protection. All ports are thoughtfully arranged for easier plug and unplug experience. With symmetric design, it maintains the same user-friendly setup on your left side or your right side. All docks come with 2 cables. A shorter one for working on a flat surface, and a longer one for working on a stand. Oh, and one more thing. We are also introducing a palm-sized 6-in-1 hub for people who are always on the road. A compact and lightweight hub that meets all your USB-C needs, especially for outdoor activities. So please, support us on Kickstarter, and be the first one to get your USB-C dock and hub with the special Kickstarter pricing and packaging.